Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Shatabdi Dhar. Today in this video, I am going to discuss some programming in C for implementation of strings. In this video, we are going to discuss two programs, that is to find the number of vowels and consonants in a string, and the second program is to implement the functions like strlen function, strcpy function, strcat function, and strcmp functions. Now at first we are going to discuss the program, that is write a C program to find the number of vowels and consonants in a string. So to solve the program, that is write a C program to find the number of vowels and consonants in a string, first, we have declared the header files, that is hash include stdio.h and hash include string.h, because we are going to implement use some string functions. So string.h header file is included here. Next, the int main, that is main function. Within this main function, character array s is declared with 1000 elements of capability. Now the variable int I vowel s, which is initialized with 0, and consonant s is declared, which is initialized with the value 0. Now the message, that is enter the string, is declared or passed to the function printf. Next, to taking the input of any string, the function getS is used here. GetS s. The string is s. Now for I equal to 0, I plus plus. I will go from 0 to the value of last of I. For s I greater equal to 65 and s I less equal to 90, or s I greater equal to 97 and s I less equal to 122. Here 65 means capital A, ASCII value of capital A is 65 and ASCII value of capital Z is 90. And here 97 means small a, that is ASCII value of small a is 97 and ASCII value of small z is 122. So the condition is, if si equal to capital A and capital Z, or si equal to small a and small z, within this another if condition is here, that is si, if si equal to a or e or I or o, that is all the vowels, then vowel should be incremented by 1, that is vowels plus plus, else consonant plus plus. After this, printf vowels equal to vowels, that is all the vowels will be printed here. The number of the vowels should be printed here, and then printf consonants equal to consonants, that is the number of consonants will be printed through this line. After that, return 0. So by this program we will get all the vowels and consonants of any string. Now I am compiling and run it. So enter the string. Here's the message. I'm giving a string that is, say, computer. Now you can see that vowels in the string computer is 3 and the number of consonants in the string computer is 5. Now we will discuss about the program that is write a C program for the implementation of strlen function, strcpy function, strcat function and strcmp functions. To solve the problem that is write a C program for implementation of the string functions that is strlen, strcpy function, strcat function and strcmp function. We will see here what is the uses of these functions. So at first we have to write hash include stdio.h. Hope through this video you can understand all the functions of strings and the program about the vowel and consonant is clear to you. Thank you for watching this video. For more update about the different types of problems in string, you can watch my channel. So don't forget to subscribe my channel.